Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we will continue our previous video. So in this video we will display the distance into the LCD that is measured by the ultrasonic sensor. So let's get started. So in previous video we will already done LCD connections. So now we need a ultrasonic sensor. And some more jumper wires that connect the ultrasonic sensor. So let's start the project. Now we insert the ultrasonic sensor into the breadboard. Then we connect the VCC pin with 5 volt by using green jumper wire. Then we connect the trick pin with pin number 9 by using orange jumper wire. Then we connect the ground pin with the ground by using black jumper wire. In last, we connect the eco pin with pin number 10 by using white jumper wire. Now we connect the USB cable with the PC. So now we open Arduino IDE and start writing the code. First, we include the liquid crystal header file into the Arduino IDE. Then we create a LCD object and specify the pin used for the connecting the LCD. After this, we define the trick pin, eco pin for the ultrasonic sensor. After defining the pin, we create a variable, duration and distance. Then we create a setup function in which we set the trick pin as an output pin and eco pin as an input pin. Then we initialize the LCD with the 16 columns and 2 rows. Then we print the distance into the first row of LCD. After this, we create a loop function in which we clear the trigger pin, then wait for a 2 microsecond. Then we send the ultrasonic pulse in which we set the trick pin as high and keep it high for a 10 microseconds. Then we set the trick pin low. Then we read the eco pin. Then we measure the time in a microsecond from the sending to receiving the pulse. Then we calculate the distance. Then we display the distance. First, we position the cursor at the beginning of the second row. Then we clear the previous distance value by printing space. After that, we reset the cursor position. Then we print the distance and then we append the centimeter to the distance value. In last, we had 500 millisecond delay before repeating the loop, allowing time between measurement. So after completing the whole code, we upload the code. And there you have it. You have successfully displayed the distance into the LCD that is measured by the ultrasonic sensor. So if you like this tutorial, give it thumbs up, subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Till then, thanks for watching.